How good is YouTube TV? YouTube TV is considered one of the top live TV streaming services due to its comprehensive channel lineup, user-friendly interface, and unlimited DVR features. Here's an overview of its strengths and potential drawbacks to help you determine if it's a good choice for you. Advantages of YouTube TV. Extensive channel lineup. Includes 100 plus channels covering sports, news, entertainment, and kids programming. Popular channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, ESPN, CNN, Disney, HGTV, and more are included. Offers premium add-ons such as HBO Max, Showtime, and Stars. Unlimited cloud DVR. Allows you to record as much content as you want, with recording stored for up to 9 months. Ideal for binge watchers and sports fans who want to save live games or shows. Ease of use. Simple, intuitive interface with easy navigation and personalized recommendations. Multi-device support, including TVs, smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Multiple profiles and streams. Each subscription includes 6 user profiles, each with its own DVR library and recommendations. Allows streaming on up to 3 devices simultaneously. No long-term contracts. Month-to-month billing with no cancellation fees. Transparent pricing without hidden fees. High-quality streaming. Streams most channels in HD and supports 4K for select content, with an optional add-on. Potential drawbacks of YouTube TV. Higher monthly cost. Base price starts at around $72.99 per month, which may be higher than some other streaming services. Adding premium channels and 4K streaming increases costs further. Regional sports limitations. Some regional sports networks, RSNs, are missing, which can be a downside for local sports fans. Dependent on internet connection. Requires a reliable and fast internet connection for smooth streaming. Issues like buffering or low-quality streams may occur with unstable connections. On-demand ads. Some on-demand content includes unskippable commercials, even if recorded with DVR. Is YouTube TV worth it? For cord cutters. If you're looking to replace cable or satellite TV with a flexible, feature-rich streaming option, YouTube TV is an excellent choice. For sports fans, it's great for national sports coverage but may not fully satisfy regional sports enthusiasts. For families, the multiple profiles and simultaneous streams make it ideal for households with diverse viewing needs. In summary, YouTube TV is a robust and convenient option for those willing to pay for quality and comprehensive content. It's particularly well suited for households transitioning from traditional cable to streaming.